Transform your ideas into a polished, professional booklet with this easy-to-follow Microsoft Publisher tutorial. First, we need to set up our document for booklet printing. Go to the Page Design tab and click on Page Setup. In the Page Setup dialog box, ensure your page size is set to your desired paper. Then, under Layout Type, select Booklet. This genius setting automatically arranges your pages for folding. Now let's add your content. Click on Insert, then Text Box, and draw your text box on the page type or paste your text. Repeat this for images, going to Insert, and then Pictures. Publisher will automatically create your pages, numbering them correctly for book printing. You can easily navigate between pages using the page navigation bar at the bottom. When you're ready to print, go to File and then Print. Crucially, make sure Print on both sides is selected for typical booklets. Choose Flip Pages on Long Edge to ensure your pages fold correctly. And there you have it, a professional-looking booklet, perfectly sequenced and ready to be folded and bound.